everyone, I'm gonna show you how to install Slack on Windows. So to start, open any browser and go to the search bar and go ahead and search slack.com. And once you're in here, what you need to do is to click the three dots at the top right. Next, you need to scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. Now, what you need to do next is to click Install Page as App. So click on that. Now in here, you can rename the app. So I'm just going to rename it Slack and click on Install to confirm. And it will be installed to your PC. Next, another method you can do is to go to Microsoft Store and go to the search bar and search for Slack. Now look for Slack in here. So click on it and click on Get or Install depending on your device. So once you click Get, it will be installed to your PC. So as you can see, it's now preparing to download. So it's now installing. Just wait for it to finish. You can also pause it or cancel it. So once done, it will say open and just click on open. And you can now use it as an app on your laptop. So sign into Slack, just click on sign in and you can go ahead and sign in with your email or Apple account. Now in here, if you click the logo at the bottom, you can also pin it to taskbar. And if you want to uninstall Slack, you can just go to your start menu and go to settings, then go to apps at the left side, go to installed apps. So just search for Slack and click the three dots at the right side and click on uninstall and click on uninstall once more to confirm. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.